Welcome to the another video. In this video, we are going to see how to use video editor in Windows without purchasing or without installing any third-party software or something. So the Windows editor is the built one by the Microsoft. Okay, and we no need to purchase or any credits is needed. So this editor is really help us to create the video and to upload into the common forums like social media or YouTube something. So let's go to into the video. So first, how to open that video editor is like go to search, type video editor and click. So once you open the video editor, we need to select the new project. Once it is done, we need to give the project name. So I'm going to give the project name as a demo. So the project name as we like us, which the name we need to give it. Then we need to click the add the file, so add the file or the video clips to get started. So we can do it in the three way, like one is from the PC or from the website. So if you click the website will be provided by Bing. And if you want to add any background something, like if you click animals and just click this zebra, click insert, automatically that image it will be added into the video editor. And if you want to add more files, so just place from the browser, just select the images again. And if you want to add the file more from this PC, just go here and upload the video, which video you want to click it. So once it is done, we need to play, or we need to select all the videos and play in the storyboard. So once it is done, right, so this will come into the picture. If you want to keep this as the first image, then we can keep here. And if you see here, if I click here, the video is started now. And after that, the yes, our video will started, right? And if you want to trim this video, just select this video, click trim option. And if you want to wants to do any edition, like this, if you want to do edit from start, and if you want to do edit from the last, just select the timer of this track from start from the trim and end from the trim. Once it is done, just click finish and save changes. So it is done now. And we want to add any title, like just click add title. Then we need to give the name of the title, just select the text. So it will be come here. So what title we wants to give, we can give it like thank you for watching something, we can give it here. So it will be come here. Or if you want to do it the title from the first line of the banner, so just select here, um, text, click text. I'm just going to give thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. And we have some animated textile, so which textile is looking like this. If you're looking good, then if you just select here, if you see here first, that video will be test will be one. So it will be start from the image, then the next video will come like thank you for watching and whatever it is. And if you want to add the background of this sound, so like if you want to add any background music, so just select the background music. So once you select the background music, by default that music will be there in. So if you want to sync up this music with this, means like just select sync your video this music beat, just click OK. So what happened, that music will be synced with this video. If you just see here, see. So in this way we can do customize audio as well. Like if you have to do record by manually, we can do in this one, like adding the file from any sound effective, and add in the videos from any local file. That also is possible in the video editor. And the next thing is like if you want to make the any 3D effects, we can do it like just click the 3D effects. Okay, so it will be take a fraction of seconds to open the 3D effect. Okay, so it will be make any animation, like if you want to click the animation, just see, if you just see here. Okay, so what it will be happen, that that effort you want to do it like in this way, or if you want to do so that animation will be happen, I just do it the animation to the picture, so that will make good appearance for us, like just clicking this file, click 3D effects, so it will be open. So in that 3D effect, if we are uploading any pictures, that picture you want to make any 3D effect kind of a like fire kind of a thing, just click this one, see what happen. This effort will be playing here. I just play here, I'm playing here, so just see here. So like this, or if you want to add any other clips, 3D clicks, we can do it here. Then we have the motions as well, like add motions. So if you want to capture like the only this false you want to capture is like just select this one. Okay, so and track it and just click down. So if you just do it, see here, if you just play here, see happen, right? So that also the motion also is there. And if you want to see the duration, like if you want to do any duration of this video, like it's like a 1 second or 7 seconds, I'm just making 7 seconds. So what happened, this picture will become 7 seconds. So after 7 seconds, that will be move into the next one. So we have same like filter option. So filter option, we can make the color changes. Like if you see here, this will be make the filters like any mod blurring kind of a thing, we can do it. And if you want to add any text here, just select here, and we can add any text like thank you, or making something, we can add those things. And finally you want to finish the video, just click, you want to compose the finalize the video means just click finish video, and the click which one is you are okay. So by default HD 180 pixel is the recommended one, so just select here and click more options. So this one will be make faster. If you unselect option, what happened, it the processing time will take time to complete the video. So just keep it as it is and export the video. So the video will start exporting. Click the browsers, and once it is done, right, so the video will start export. So in this way we are going to edit the videos without using any third party software. So if you have any doubts regarding to this topic, please feel free to like it into this comment section. Please like the video. Thank you for watching.